Hey everybody, Alan with the Rebe Homes Team here today, and we are doing some granite work at a property. And I've got Leo out here and he's working on one of the sinks right now, you can see. We'll take you inside and show you how we get started with things. Follow us in. Here we are in the kitchen, and the first thing that they do is they put down some plywood. You can see there, and you can see the new kitchen sink, and this goes underneath the granite. We got one piece on right here. You can see that. Okay, here's a small powder room, just waiting to get its sink and granite and new faucet. We'll come back and revisit this when it's complete. Okay, we're in the second bathroom now, and again, we are waiting for the granite to be prepped and delivered and installed. So we'll be checking back and show you what the difference is in a couple hours. Hey everybody, Alan here again, and we've got the finished product done now. So Leo's just wrapping up. We just finished the kitchen and wanted to show you what we've done, have Leo give you a little look around here. So Leo, tell us, I've got the kitchen sink here.
So right here, you see one sink is undermount 50-50. So
okay.
Most people like this sink style because you have two holes the same and use it. Sometimes customers like special sink like order.
Okay.
So I make it a hole.
So we put a backsplash on here.
Yeah, backsplash. Most people like do tile.
Yeah.
I start on top of the counter.
Okay.
So I put a straight sink. You know, right here you see the sink. It's not visible.
Great.
So.
And we got a seam right here, but you can hardly even tell. I mean, that's amazing work. Good job there.
The material just come in like this, 3/4, almost 7/8.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. Sometimes I do just the cover like this, 3/4 square edge, or some the people like double. So
right, so we double up the edge there. It looks nice.
Yeah, it's 4 centimeters. It's 1.5 inches. So when I used to do the installation, I put plywood 5/8 under. Just in case I need to shim it, sometimes the laminate one is out, down 1/16 or 1/8 level. I shim it and everything is level now.
It looks perfect. So there you go, a little education on granite work today. Tune in next time. Talk to you soon. Bye.